Alright, let's take a quick tour. Go down to your Google Chrome browser, open it up, and hopefully you have already created a Google account. Next to your photo, if you've already uploaded one in your profile, is a little grid of dots. Once you click on those, you will see everything Google, from Gmail to your Drive, Slides, Calendar, etc., etc. Today we're going to look at Google Drive. Clicking on Google Drive, I see all my Albuquerque Public Schools documents that I need. I do have a personal Google Drive that I keep my personal artifacts in. I may have slipped a few things in here that belong to me, like my loan, and that's a shared file, so I don't know if I want to drop it into my private folder, which I've color-coded, and I want to put them in my stuff. So I would just grab them and just put them in here. Boom! I've color-coded that blue. The most important stuff I have color-coded in red. Now how do I do that? Well, let's see. I can go here to, let's say, oh, here's another personal document. My nephew is a grandfather, so we can stick that in there too. Let's see, learning links for the lab, and that's a shared one. I would right-click and go to change color and choose one that I feel would be appropriate for sharing. So I'll put that yellow for now. So anyway, that's just the color coding. So these are all folders. Some of them, as you can see, are shared and some of them are not. Up here we see a plus sign where we can add a file or a folder. Now, as you can see by some of my documents here, I have movies, which are files, and I need to eventually consolidate them into a folder. So let's try that. Let's add a folder, and I'll put teaching videos. And there we see it pop up right there. So that's one of my favorite kindergarten lessons that I do with students. So I will drag that upward and drop that into teaching videos. Boom! There it goes. Now I'm going to check to make sure it's there. There it is. Ta-da! Back to Drive, My Drive. Now how do you share a folder? Well, let's see. If I wanted to share my teaching videos with everybody, I would click on it. I would go up here and I would get a shareable link, or I would go to share. You can go to either one of those. If you go to shareable link, of course you must activate it. And then you've got a link that you can copy by right-clicking and send it to someone in your email. And let's do a new message. Ta-da-da! And just boom! Anyone with that link should be able to see it. Teaching videos. Or we can go back and share with specific people, my current principal, or it might be a co-worker who wanted to know how to do this or that. For example, I took the domain for rubric and broke it down into individual sections to document what I have done to meet those goals for each item. Exemplary or highly effective or effective. So anyway, this is a great place to store that. You can share it with your administrator or your colleagues. So there's Google Drive in a nutshell.